place for light. Sometimes the water is a little far away, and just say your roots get dry every day. Underneath the doubt is the mind screaming, don't you ever stop this climb. Sometimes.
Alright, officially done. I have so much hair. It feels not too heavy, but it's just a lot of hair. I could have did less. How many did I do? Yes, baby. Yeah, that's nice. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 6 packs. Daddy's at work, baby. 6 packs of the HAVANA Mambo Twist Jumbo Twist. This is Janet collection, by the way. And yeah, I like it. It's really thick. I guess I could have did 5, but since I did crochet method, I don't know. I just feel like I need to fill in the spaces, but it came out cute. I most likely will wear it this side, this way, not like that, but like this. So I did straight backs. If you wanted to wear your hair like in the front middle, I would suggest to connect a braid this way, so that way you have a gap there. I mean, you could close the gap there, or you can do it back here, so it'll look like a little better. But yeah, that's it. And I'm probably definitely gonna be wearing my hair on the side. Just feel like it fits me better. But yeah, it's cute. I'll show you how long it is. It is 24 inches. I am 5'10", so it comes to, yeah, so it's pretty long. Alright, so that's how long it is. This is my butt. So they're 24 inches, and like I said, I'm 5'10", so if you're shorter than me, they're gonna be really long. I feel like I need to fill in over here. One time for the one time. So it literally took me less than an hour to put all of these in. This is the fastest crochet protective style I have ever done. The longest part is actually braiding your hair down, so this will save you a lot of time. And then I used, let's see, I used 6 packs of these, and I still have 2 left. I'm debating if I should put them in or not. And then in each pack there's 12 like individual braids. So if you don't like it like thick like this, then you obviously could do less, spread it out and do less packs, maybe 5 packs. And I wanted to try the individual method, the non-crochet method, but honestly this is a 2-in-1 style. So after this gets old, you could cut it, unravel it, and style it that way. So that's my plan for that. So yeah, I guess I'll maybe do an update on how these last, but we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Bye. Say bye.